In this video, how to reach $20 per day working online from home. Let's start by showing you my dashboards, my earnings, to give you some motivation and to remind you that everything I publish here on my channel is based on real experience, on real case studies. So you can see this is my CJ dashboard. Last month I made $1,300. This month till today I made around $400. This is my impact account. This is my share sale account. But forget about my earnings, and in this video we are going to focus on reaching $10 to $20 per day. Forget about thousands now, forget about everything, just focus on the first target, which is $10 to $20 per day. If you are here for the first time on my channel, here I share with you videos about digital marketing, online business, and much more real case studies and real experience that will help you grow online and build an online business. I'm not here to scam you and tell you you'll make $1 million next month. No, we are going to put real goals and we are going to achieve real goals. If you want scammy videos, please go now and watch other videos and don't waste your time here with real value and real case studies. If you are ready, let's start. So step one is to understand the concept. What we are going to do today. Simply, one of the best ways to make money online is affiliate marketing. Simply, it is promoting a product for someone else and earning a commission. But affiliate marketing has three main models. Number one is EPS, or earn per sale. Example, you promote a product, this microphone. When someone buys it, you earn a commission. Super easy. The second model, EPL, you earn per sign up, earn per lead. So you promote a service, a product, and whenever someone takes an action, which is signing up, you earn money. Awesome. The third model, which is the easiest one, is EPC, which is earning per click. So you promote a service, when someone just clicks, you earn money. Example, Google AdSense and Infolinks and similar services. Today, in this video, our case study, our work is based on the second model, which is EPL, or what we call CPA marketing, cost per action. Whenever someone takes an action, you earn money. You don't need to sell anything, and this is what's awesome about this model. Okay, so step two is to pick the products that you wanna promote that pays you per sign up. If you remember, a couple of days ago, maybe 2 weeks, I shared with you a video where I showed you multiple affiliate programs that pay per sign up. You can see the video here somewhere on the screen. Anyway, in this video we'll focus on two main programs. You can see here Grammarly.com affiliate programs pays you $0.2 per free registration, and a similar service called Ginger pays you $0.5 per free registration. Also, the second service is SEMrush, which pays you $10 for every new trial activation. It's a free trial activation. So we want to focus on SEMrush and one of these programs. In my case study, I used Grammarly. I didn't test Ginger yet. So what you are going to do is to sign up to Grammarly affiliate program, SEMrush or Ginger. It's up to you. Or you can simply go to Share a Sale affiliate network, go here to merchants, search for merchants. Please focus very well. It's an excellent tip here, and then go here to modify search, and then you can click on per lead CPA and simply go and search, and Share a Sale now will filter all the affiliate programs that pays you per lead. You can see here a lot of services you can pick from. So in step two, you are going to pick the product and then you are going to get the affiliate link. How? In my case, I joined Grammarly on CJ affiliate network. So I go here to CJ, go here to advertisers. Forget about my earnings, just focus on $20 per day, please. Forget about my earnings. I am in the online world for more than 6 years. So just focus now on $20 per day and not on the numbers you see on my screen, because this requires some more time. Anyway, so here I will go with Grammarly, then search. Here is Grammarly, click on get links, and then you will find a lot of links here. Don't copy this one, be careful. Go here to this code here, any of these links, and copy this link here. You can see it, this link. Copy, open Notepad, and this is our affiliate link. You can see this is our affiliate link that the affiliate network can track your conversions with. So we got the affiliate link. If you are working with impact, simply here go to brands, then go to find brands. Now in my case, SEMrush is here in my brands inside impact. So again, click on SEMrush here, and then create link, create, and you can see this is my affiliate link. You can copy it and start promoting. Again, in a share a sale also, if you go here to links, get a link, and I will select SEMrush, get links, and you can see this is my main affiliate link for SEMrush. You can copy it and start promoting. And promoting is the main part here, so please focus very well. This is our core work. Getting the links is the easiest part. We have the links, now we need to get traffic to these links to get conversions and sign ups and to reach $20 per day. So stay tuned. Now let's go and see what I did and how I promote SEMrush and Grammarly. Mainly, and I believe the best way is through content. In my case, you can see on my website, on my blog, I have this article, how to get traffic with SEMrush. I have this article, the ultimate Grammarly review for digital marketers. I have this article, the 9 best keyword research tools for your SEO. All these articles are content that are giving value to people. And if you see here, all these green links are affiliate links to SEMrush. You can see SEMrush. So whenever someone clicks on this link and sign up, I earn money. If he buys, I earn $200. The same for the ultimate Grammarly review article. Grammarly. You can see a lot of affiliate links inside this article. The same here for this list article. You can see here down, SEMrush is promoted inside this article, and so on. So the best way is to create an article to give value. I know a lot of you don't have the skills to write a full optimized article. To help you, you can use something similar to my articles. Don't copy and paste because you will fail on the long term. You need to write an article. You can use my content, repurpose it, rewrite it to start with, and then publish on a website. Now you may tell me I don't have a website. It's super easy. You can create one for free on Blogger. I explained this in detail. Do you remember last week we created this website, this awesome website in 15 minutes with the Blogger totally for free. So you can do the same if you want. If you want to be successful, you need some patience, you need discipline and consistency. As we said at the beginning of this video, we want real work here and not scam and wasting time. So this is the first method. Use a Blogger for free, or you can simply WordPress if you have a budget, or use this awesome service System.io. It allows you to create a free blog, totally free blog or free landing page. Go here to funnels and create a new sales funnel for free, or simply go here to blogs and create a blog for free. Write the article and you are ready to promote the products. How we are going to promote? Simply, we have 2 methods. Number 1 is paid advertising. You can go with Google ads, as I do always. You can see this is my running campaign now. You can go with Microsoft advertising. You can go with Quora ads, Pinterest ads, Twitter ads, Reddit ads, LinkedIn ads. Any type of paid advertising you can go with if you have a budget. But I prefer as a beginner to start with free traffic. Yes, requires some more time and work, but it's better on the long term. How? You can go with free traffic methods like number 1, SEO. SEO is the best way to establish a passive income stream with affiliate marketing, as I do. If you go here to my channel and search for SEO, you will find this awesome video, how to get free traffic from Google. In 18 minutes, I explained in detail how SEO works and how you can get traffic from Google. If you go here to Google Search Console And take a look on my analytics. I know it may take some time, but really it's a successful business on the long term. Go here to heducate.com, go here to performance. You will see I got in the last 3 months 53,000 clicks, free traffic from Google, free traffic. So think big, think on the long term, and don't be in a rush. Yes, it may take 2, 3, 4 weeks to be successful to reach $20, but you have to work, you have to be consistent, you need some patience, and you need discipline. Number 1 is SEO. Number 2, free traffic, is again Quora. Try Quora. I always talk about Quora. It's really very important. Go here to Quora. You can see here, even I'm not active too much these days on Quora, but I still get a lot of traffic from Quora. Let's go to my account. You will see now I have around 8,000 views every single month, and I'm not active on Quora these days. I have like 3,000 followers. I get traffic from Quora. Try it, answer questions, and get traffic to your content. Other method is Pinterest. Other method is forums. I explained all this in my full free traffic course. Please go and watch it. Learn how to get free traffic and start implementing. 2-3 hours work every day can reach you $20 per day after a maximum of 2-3 months. Believe me, you can do it. And if you like to learn more about my secret affiliate strategies, how I do affiliate marketing in detail, you can check out my video here. See you later.